Zach Sieler, Miami Dolphins. I've done 8 years in the NFL now.
Zach Sieler, former Division II walkout.
They come by with Sieler, and he got him. Intercepted, Sieler.
My wife and I just picked up this golf cart, which is super cool. We're super excited about it, but the batteries were kind of shot. Started looking up prices, started matching the price from the dealership, and I actually found a website, extremekartz.com, and the owner over there, the guys over there, were awesome. Talked with Ryan a little bit, and everything pointed to Bolt Energy. So it's been super cool. Reached out to the guys over there, Bobby and Brent, told me which path to go, what route to take, and how to get the install done. And I've been probably about 3-4 hours took me to get the battery in and get in that cart, and I'm super excited. Haven't even driven it yet, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Now it's like you step on it, there's so much more it wants to go to. So it's got me excited to kind of maybe tinker with this again and put an AC motor on it, because this thing is fast, it's strong, and you can tell it's not struggling to move me anymore. For someone that doesn't do this stuff all the time, and just to be able to kind of tinker in the garage and get this in was just awesome. Super clean install, super easy. All the wires lined up perfect. Controller worked out great. It's got the onboard charger, and it's got the 48 to 12 volt converter. So radio, lights, whatever you want, this thing can do it, and do it with probably extra power on board still. So I can't wait to kind of keep adding and keep doing fun things with this cart. I'm super excited to drive this around again and just kind of really enjoy it. So excited for this. Thanks again, Bolt. You guys were awesome. Couldn't say enough great things about these guys.